Hi guys, today I'll be telling you about my learning from the movie Kung Fu Panda. As it was released in 2008, but I haven't seen this movie before because I don't watch animated movies. But this movie is really very you can say very motivational, and I have learned a lots of lesson from this movie. So I watched it twice, and the main learning from this movie is there is no secret ingredient, which means there is no shortcut to success. The only way to achieve or succeed is by believing in ourselves and working hard. Poe learned this when he saw the dragon scroll and saw his own reflection in that. After that, he recognized that you have to believe in yourself. You are the actual power. Ugwe also said, your mind is like this water, my friend. When it gets agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But if you allow it to settle, the answer becomes clear. Which tells us that in a difficult situation, we can only overcome the same by remaining calm. As a calm mind gives us clarity and answer we need. If we get agitated or hyper, we will not able to perceive the overall situation. We also learned the greatness can come from anywhere. As when Poe started, he had no knowledge. But by working hard, he defeated the strongest, most skilled warrior. And he did so by using his flaws as the strength. So we need to understand our strengths and make our weakness as our strength. So we need to own our flaws and change our perception on what is beneficial and what is not. Our perception shapes our reality. What can be perceived as a curse for someone can become someone's boon. All depends on how much faith we have in ourselves. No matter how hard we try, we can't run out from it or change it into something it's not. Similarly, only when we accept that what life gives us can we work to make it great. We learned this when Master Ugwe told Shifu that a peach tree will not become an apple tree no matter how hard we try. We also learned that we should stay humble and not become like Tylon, as he became corrupted with success, and that became his downfall. Poe, on the other hand, stayed humble, and his humbleness makes his root stronger, whereas ego destroys it. We also learned that teamwork is necessary and we should support each other. If we walk alone, we walk faster, as Ratan Tata said. But if we want to walk far, we need to walk together. And ultimately, we should focus on the present and what can we do now, instead of worrying about the future or getting anxious on past. As Ugwe said, yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, and but today is a gift. That's why we call it a present. So take each day as a present from God and work hard. We also learned that to change result, we have to change our methods. As Sufi said, if you only do what you can do, you will never be more than what you are now. So to change our future, we need to make changes to our present and reach above and beyond what we believe ourselves to be capable of. That's all which I have learned from this movie. Thank you.